Do you have little holes in your window screen like this? Instead of taking the entire thing off, I'm going to show you an easier way of fixing it. I am going to show you how to go from this to that. I will leave link in the description for any material I will be using in this tutorial. I got a small mesh right here, a little bigger than the area, and now I'm going to place it on it and just guesstimate where I should cut it. Try to keep your cut straight. The straighter it is, the better it's gonna look at the end. And now we're gonna do the same thing across the top. Again, place it down. Just go a little bigger than where you want the mesh to cover and cut it again. Voila! I am going to use liquid glue to put everything together. Just hold one corner down while you're putting some glue on it and hold it there for a couple seconds, and you can just do the entire side at once while you're holding it down. And the only reason you can see the difference between the two mesh is because the sun had faded this portion a lot over the years. And now let's repeat the same process on the top side. You can be pretty liberal with the liquid glue. And just hold it down until the liquid glue cure for a little bit, and then we're gonna continue to do the other two corners. The mesh section is pretty much flat on the surface right now. You can do the rest at once. If you did miss any of those areas, you can go back over and put some more, and also try to add some in the middle in random spot. Once you're done putting all the liquid glue on it, let it cure for a little while. And this is how easy it is to fix your window mesh if it has small hole in it. Please let me know if this video was any help to you. Again, I will leave a link for all those products I use in the video. I appreciate you coming to my channel. Thank you.